Okay, what today we have is a latest Xiaomi 17 Ultra flagship. It's a flagship photograph phone by Xiaomi. So this is the China version. So this is the box. So the spec of this is a 16 gig RAM and 1 TB storage. So Xiaomi 7 Ultra Leica edition black. So let's get started. So this is the box. Okay, so inside here we have a card. So let me show you the card. So this is Xiaomi and Leica chapter 2. So there's a Chinese word, and this is the CEO of the Leica, and this is the, I think is president or vice president of the Xiaomi, William Lu. Okay, so let's see the phone. So I already unboxed it previously, so let me just take it out. Okay, so this is the outlook of the Xiaomi 70 Ultra. So this is a Leica edition. So you will have the collar badge over here. So this is the camera module. So this is the main camera. This is the super wide angle camera, and this is the new optical zoom telephoto camera. So here we have 3 camera, 1, 2, and 3, and this one is just a decor. Okay, so this is the black color. So here is something like leather, and here is something like plastic. So over here we have the power, volume button, and here we have grip over here, and here is Leica camera Germany. So let me open the phone. Okay, while waiting it start, let's take a look what inside the box. So we have here is so this is the charger. So this is 100-watt charger, although this phone only support I think 90 by wire 90 watt and wireless 50 watt. So it gives the 100-watt charger. Not bad. So here is a cable, and we also have an accessory. This is the lens cleaning cloth. This is the strap. Okay, and this is the lens cover. Leica lens cover. So put this aside, and we have a phone case. Okay, so this is black color phone case. Okay, this one can spin. The quality is not bad. Okay, so let's put all these accessories aside. So let's see the phone. So okay, so this is the latest Xiaomi 17 Ultra Leica edition. So what I have here, okay, so is Xiaomi 17 Ultra by Leica, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, 16 gig RAM, And this 6 gig is a virtual memory, and battery 6800. And what else we have here? Okay, so that's it, the unboxing of this phone. And if you guys have anything want to know more about this phone, please leave a comment in this video below, and I will try my best to answer all the question or anything about this phone. I haven't started use this phone, and okay, camera. So this is the camera. I try to snap a photo here. So okay. And we also have Leica Essential, and in this you can choose Leica M3 or Leica M9. And that's it. Okay, that's all for the video today. Thank you.